Well, hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome back to my crochet channel. I'm Laudiaann and this is Tuesday, my day off. I have to catch up with a lot of my auntie's order for Hawaii for her craft shows. So I'm making her some Pokeballs here. I'm making 6 and then I have made her some raccoons here. These are the raccoons for her for Hawaii. So these are going to be sent this week. I made 4 of those and I made some elephants here for her. And I'm going to make 6 Pokeballs and then I'm going to work on making either the cows or the lions and then finish up making some of the, she actually wants 10 coin purses. So these are the ones I am making right now. She doesn't know that I did a special stitch here because I was actually sending her plain ones, but these have a little leaf patterns on them. So she wanted 10, so I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 so far. So I gotta make 6, 4. I have to make 6, I think. And 6 more of those colors. Let's see if you guys can see it. You can see it better here, but and then for my craft shows this Sunday, I have a bunch of stuff right here that I'm preparing to sell. Let's see, what have I been doing? I finished my son-in-law's mother's blanket. I'm going to share it with you. First of all, this one is mine, my bouquet blanket. And again, I'm going to share it with all of you. This one's my special computer blanket that I use for my lap. So I'm going to put it back on here because it stays by my computer chair. And then this one is done for my son-in-law's mother. And it is also a bouquet blanket, but it's lavender. It's the color that she wanted. And it's pretty big. It's a pretty big lap blanket itself. So I'm planning to make for Christmas time, maybe make 3 of these and sell them for Christmas. It's a beautiful blanket. And that's what I started doing. But I'm finishing up the Pokeballs. So I'm going to make another layer. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, my crochet channel. I do sell at markets in my local area. And I'm constantly making inventory. And I'm constantly having special orders, custom orders from customers. I have customers at my job, they're nurses, and then customers at my craft show, where I usually set up at a local place all the time. And I have repeat customers come there and they ask me, can you make this for me? Can you make that for me? And so I'm willing to do it because I love to make things and sell them. Okay, so this one is done. So what I do is, where's my scissors? I always tend to lose my scissors. Maybe, oh, it fell. A lot of times it falls on on the floor and see if I can pick it up with my foot. I don't think I can. I have to pick it up with my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece. So this is how I make multiple. I'm gonna make her 6 balls, so I made half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and so I'm thinking of making the button area. I'll make 6 of those, and then I'll continue with the white, and then stuff it, and then sew the button on there in the middle, and then I'm done. And so I think that will be the first package. I'm gonna send some of my dolls up there that I made. Some of the things she did tell me she wants some finger puppets, so that's what I have to do. Right now I have a load in the wash. I got to go today to fix the back tire of my car because there's a slow leak. And I think that's about it. This morning I'm enjoying my yogurt, so I'm eating it slowly. I haven't been really uploading any YouTube videos, but I will be. And I should take the time, dedicate at least one of my days to keep posting videos. I have several channels that are monetized. And so you can go to my crochet channel. This is Crochet. Laudiaann Silva's my main channel. I'm probably going to post this video on that main channel. I am alive, everyone. I've just been so busy. And all my friends and my family, they know I have this channel, so they are watching me. But everyone have a lovely day. I will see you in the next video, and I don't know what I'm going to post next, but it should be inspiring. Right, bye everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.